Pagtatayo ng pasilidad sa Philippine Rice, posibleng masimula na sa susunod na taon. May report si Eagle News reporter Mean Corbera.
Sisimulan na ng Department of Agriculture at Department of Environment and Natural Resources ang pagtatayo ng pasilidad sa Philippine Rice. Ayon kay Senador Cynthia Villar, Chairman ng Senate Committee on Environment and Committee on Agriculture, posibleng ipaloob ang budget para dito sa panukalang 2018 national budget. Ang hakbang ay kasunod-anya ng ginawang exploration ng mga opisyal ng gobyerno sa Philippine Rice kung saan nadiskubre na kaya nitong suportahan ng food requirements ng buong bansa. Nadiskubrian niya ng mga opisyal ng DENR, DA at mga eksperto na nagsagawa ng exploration na ang Philippine Rice ang itinuturing na resource-rich waters at spawning ground ng assorted fish species at iba pang angkingyamang dagat nito na inaasahang makatutulong para magkaroon ng sapat na pagkain sa bansa.
As chairperson of both the Senate Committee on Environment and Natural Resources and the Senate Committee on Agriculture and Food, the findings of such expeditions that there is a vast amount of natural resources there and that those resources can adequately provide the food requirements of the Filipinos.
Bukod sa pagtatayo ng pasilidad sa Philippine Rice, tutulong na rin ang Senado sa promosyon para protektahan ang teritoryo ng Pilipinas. Sa pamamagitan ito ng ililunsad na exhibit sa Senado sa expedition sa Benham Back, ang pinakamababaw na bahagi ng undersea fissure kung saan ipinapakita ang malikas na yaman ng Philippine Rice. Sa ngayon, nakapending pa sa Senado ang panukala ni Senador Sani Angara na layong magtayo ng Benham Rice Development Authority. Ito'y para ma-develop bilang source ng alternative energy, marine resources at iba pang tourist destinations.
Last month, April, the Department of Agriculture and top officials of the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, led by Secretary Manny Piñol, himself sailed to the Philippine Rice to explore its potential of the area to supply the country's food requirements. And their expedition's findings are nothing short of incredible as well in terms of the amount of natural resources. In fact, the DA, according to Secretary Piñol, is already planning to build a permanent dock and research station at the shallowest portion of the Philippine Rice. And they are asking for at least Philippine 5 billion from the 2018 national budget to be earmarked for the protection and conservation of the Philippine rice.
Para sa Eagle News, Mean Corbera, I am 1 with 25.